How to add Facebook pixel on Shopify and add conversion tracking. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add a Facebook pixel on Shopify and how you can also add a conversion tracking when it comes to adding your pixel to your Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you will do is you will actually require your Facebook account, and then you need a page on Facebook, because if you have a page, then you will be able to access your Meta Business Suite. So make sure that you have a page on Facebook and then open up your Meta Business Suite. Once you are here, now I will show you how to create a Facebook pixel on Facebook. And then we're going to go to our Shopify and I'll show you how to add a Facebook pixel to Shopify. It's really easy to do. You just need to follow the tutorial. So once you open up your Meta Business Suite, then you have to click on All Tools and then go to your event manager. It will open up the event manager for you and it will be right here. So on our event manager, you will be able to get right here. So if you want to create a Facebook pixel, then you will click on connect a data source and then you have to select web. Once you select web, then you will select the option of API and conversion. And after that, click on create pixel. You can also give your pixel a name. So you can see right here, you can create one pixel per account. And I have actually already created a pixel. So let me actually show you right here in my data sources. You will be able to see that I already have a pixel created on Facebook. So that is why when I go to this option right here and select web, it says you can create one pixel. So what you will do is now you can just click a web and you're gonna click on connect. Okay, I can get the option of app if I want. So once you select web, then you will select, give your pixel a name and you can call it Facebook pixel, or you can give it the name of your store. For example, the pixel I have created, so I have given it a name of my store, which is Sway Closet. You can see right here, even on Shopify, it's called Sway Closet. So once I have this name, and then you will click on create pixel, and your pixel will be created right here on Facebook. Now, because I'm giving you a tutorial of conversion tracking as well, so we can also create our custom conversion. You can click on custom conversion and set up a conversion before you add pixel to Shopify. So you can give your custom conversion a name, how you'll identify it. And then we have description, give details for the context. So I'm going to go ahead and add the conversion and say it and call it test conversion. And in description, I'm just going to write the word description for now. And then again, they're asking me for the data source. And this is my pixel right here, which is Sway Closet. And then we have all URL traffic. Because we are setting up our tracking conversion, you can also call it tracking conversion. Then you will select all URL traffic. Then we have the option of rules. URL contains, and you can add any kind of URL keywords you want. So you can just add them right here and click on this add button, and it will allow you to add more than one keywords, and you will be able to add more than one rules as well. So once you have added your custom conversion, you will click on create and your custom conversion will be created. Now let's go to our settings for our pixel that we have on Facebook, and it will give me all the information about my pixel, and I can actually set up a partner. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click on choose a partner, and then we can choose Shopify. But we can also go to Shopify and connect our Facebook. So now I'm gonna go to my Shopify, and here, this is my main admin. You will also log into your Shopify account, and this is where you will get. So now we need to connect our Facebook pixel to our Shopify. So simply click on your online store right here, and then you have to go to preferences. So in our preferences on Shopify, if you just scroll down, you will find Facebook pixel. So you just need to click on set up Facebook. Once you click on set up Facebook, it will allow you to connect your Facebook that you have to your Shopify. So you can see right here, Facebook and my shop right here. And then we have all of the different information, of course. And I will click on add sales channel. And there you go, you can see Facebook has been added to my Shopify. So now I will be able to connect my account, my business account, to my Shopify. So it has connected Facebook. Now what I can do is I can now connect anything. I can connect my Facebook account, business manager, domain verification, Facebook page, data sharing, Facebook target country, and terms and condition. So what I'm going to do is we need to first connect our account. So you'll just click on connect account and it will open up your Facebook for you. And we have to just continue because I had already added password. All right, this is my account and they're asking me to connect it to Shopify. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to continue. And Shopify is requesting to manage ad for ad accounts that you have access to, manage your business, access profile post from Instagram account connected to your page. So keep in mind, if you have a page on Facebook, then you will be able to actually do a lot with Shopify, and you can create a business page on Facebook. And if you already had a business on Facebook, now you will be able to actually run it on Shopify. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so my account has been connected and now we have our business manager. And this is my ID for my business account. You can see right here my business manager. So I already have a business manager. If you do not have it, then you can create one right now while being on Shopify, or you can connect your business manager. So I have this business manager. So I'm going to go ahead and click on connect. So this way you will connect now domain verification, ad account, Facebook page, data sharing, Facebook target country, and terms and condition. And this is how you will be able to finish your setup for Facebook on Shopify. So you can either go ahead and do this and set up Facebook from Shopify, or if you are on your Meta Business Suite, right? So you can also connect and choose a partner from here and connect Shopify to your Facebook. So it's same thing. Doing with Shopify will actually be more easier than doing through Facebook. It's very simple, but if you are a beginner, you might get a little confused. So this is how you will be connecting Facebook to Shopify. So you have your own now. You have your own pixel, right? So you have your pixel right here. Now what we can do is we can just connect and add partners to Shopify, or we can add the code to our Shopify store as well. Just know how to create a pixel. It's really easy. You can go to your events manager and simply go to connect data source, and then you're gonna click web, give your pixel a name, API, conversion, and then you have to select connect a partner and connect Shopify. So these are the steps. Unfortunately, you can see I can only create one pixel that I already did, so I'm kind of like lacking on the first few steps, but they're really easy to do. I'm telling you again, you just need to connect on data source, and then you have to select web, and after web, give your pixel a name, select conversion API, select connect a partner, and then connect your Shopify. So it's really easy to do. And once your pixel is connected, it's created, then it's really easy. You can just connect your Facebook to your Shopify and you're good to go. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to add Facebook pixel on Shopify and add conversion tracking. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.